Hey everyone, welcome back to Aquapledicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked every day. Today, we're diving into a quirky yet practical topic. Should you regularly replace your credit card? You might think, why bother if the bank already cancels my old card? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Why replace your credit card? Every 3 to 5 years. First, let's talk about why this idea makes sense. Protect your data. Over time, your credit card information gets stored in dozens, if not hundreds, of places, from small businesses to online shops. Some of these companies may not have strong security measures, making them vulnerable to hacks. By replacing your card, you invalidate all those old, potentially compromised records. Stop unwanted charges. Ever forgotten about that free trial you signed up for 2 years ago? Or a subscription you don't use anymore? Replacing your card will force these services to contact you for updated info, giving you a chance to cancel unnecessary charges. Peace of mind. Knowing that old card data is useless reduces the risk of identity theft or unauthorized transactions. What happens when you get a new card? Old card gets canceled. Banks immediately deactivate your old card when they issue a new one, so even if someone finds it, they can't use it. New card, new details. The card number, expiration date, and CVV are all refreshed. However, your bank account remains the same, so your overall financial setup isn't affected. The pros and cons of regular replacement. Pros: enhanced security, reduces risks from outdated, leaked data. Clean slate, helps manage forgotten subscriptions and services. Stay updated. Often newer cards come with better technology, like improved chip security or contactless payments. Cons: updating accounts. You'll need to update payment info for your regular services like Netflix, Amazon, or utility bills. Temporary hassle. It's a bit of a hassle, but the security benefits are worth it. Practical tips for replacing your credit card plan. Every 3 to 5 years. This aligns with the typical expiration date of most cards and minimizes the hassle. Watch for fraud signs. If you notice suspicious charges or use your card at shady places, consider replacing it sooner. Use virtual cards. For added security, some banks let you generate temporary virtual card numbers for online purchases. These are tied to your account but won't expose your main card details. Check your statements regularly. Replacing your card doesn't mean you can skip this step. Always review your statements for unauthorized charges. Quick recap. Replacing your credit card every few years isn't just about avoiding outdated plastic. It's a smart move to protect your data, stop unwanted charges, gain peace of mind. And while it might seem like extra work, the long-term benefits far outweigh the small hassle of updating a few accounts. So, what do you think? Have you ever replaced your card just to clean up old data? Or do you think this is overkill? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Aquapledicodon, and share this video if you found it interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.